New Yorkers will tell you that the morning commute is not just part of their day. It's part of a lifestyle found only in their hometown. For many, it's a badge of pride, mastering the routes and different offerings of transportation to near scientific precision. Commuter rail has been used in New York long before the term morning rush was conceived. Would you believe that once upon a time, commuter travel on Long Island had a bit more of a romantic feel to it? Before electrified rail lines started to sprout in and around the country, Long Island's commuter rail service was powered by the steam engine. As the town grew into the 20th century, so did Long Island Railroad's passenger trains. By the 1920s, the Long Island Railroad's parent railroad, the Pennsylvania Railroad, realized they needed bigger motive power for these commuter trains to keep up with the incredible growth of their passenger lists. Along came the Class G5s 10-wheeler, a commuter darling that echoed the personality of her customers, reliable and on time. The Pennsylvania-built locomotives had the pulling power of a normal mainline long-haul engine, coupled with the capability to quickly accelerate from station to station. These remarkable steam engines powered the passenger trains of the Long Island Railroad until 1955. One such commuter darling, Engine 39, entered into service in 1929 and was tasked with being the last steam engine to burnish Long Island rails when steam was retired. Now owned by the Railroad Museum of Long Island, it has a chance to stretch its legs once again to show off the engineering that made it a long-standing icon of New York Long Island travel. Partnering with the Strasburg Railroad in Lancaster County, Pennsylvania, we would like to ask for your help in raising the funds to rebuild and restore Engine 39 to her former glory, not just for New Yorkers to see again, but for the entire world to admire. Number 39 has a chance to once again run on a regular timetable and turn the clocks back 100 years to a simpler time, when every child's dream was to be the engineer in a mighty steam locomotive. To learn more, please visit rmli.org.